Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, also known as Thursday. Yes, Thursday was named after Thor. Just a little trivia. Last night, I prepared the Casual Chef kielbasa stir fry with udon noodles. Nice little fusion dish. It was yummy. The house smelled fantastic with the Aleppo chili peppers. Oh, yeah, and just the Aleppo just like kind of bleeds red. It turns, yeah. It's just, yes, I'm falling in love with Aleppo. When you have the spice and herb library I do, it's hard to not fall in love with certain ones. So I'll get the ingredient list up for you this morning. Enjoy it. All right, tonight, the culinary expedition continues, and we're going to Finland. I'm trying to get that, northern thing going on. I am not attempting the name of this dish. There's more A's in one word than a valedictorian's report card. Yeah. And they talk about Polish names being difficult. All right. So it's actually called, in English, Finnish cabbage casserole. Why not? This looks actually really yummy. So let's get to it. And we're going to start off with some hamburger. I'm doing half recipe, by the way. Hamburger, green cabbage. Got to have cabbage for a cabbage casserole. Half a yellow onion. About half a can of diced tomatoes. Half a can of tomato soup, condensed. Butter. Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, there is no other. About a cup of water, kosher salt, black pepper, a half a cup of long grain white rice, uncooked. It calls for garlic powder. I'm just going garlic. Let's not pretend. Parmesan cheese and some breadcrumbs. Looks like a super simple dish. And you can see why I'm not doing a live on either one of the prep or the actual cooking, because this goes in the oven, like any good casserole. So I'm actually going to enjoy this. I kind of have an easy day today, kind of. No lives, no meetings, no therapy sessions, except for my cooking. It's the only therapy I have today. So enjoy your day. The weather is supposed to be a little bit nicer today, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report. Only about 91 compared to 99 yesterday. So I digress, as Al Roker. All right. So on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.